Dear students, we were discussing about the different systems of our body. In our previous class, we have gone through the skeletal system. Now we are moving to the muscular system. Okay, what I mean by muscular system? Muscular system it's made up of basically three types of muscles. Okay, what are the three types of muscles? First one is the skeletal muscle. Second one cardiac muscle. Third one smooth muscle. Skeletal muscles. These are the muscles connected to the skeletal system, bones and cartilage. Skeletal system which includes the bones and cartilage. Okay, so these are the muscles connected to those bones and cartilages are known as what skeletal muscles. Okay, now cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle which is seen only in heart. Okay, then smooth muscle. It forms the wall of hollow viscera like a stomach, urinary bladder, ureter, intestine. Okay, such a hollow viscera is made up of smooth muscle fibers. So these are the three types of muscles seen in our body: skeletal muscle, which is connected to the skeleton; cardiac muscle, which is seen only in the heart; and a smooth muscle, it forms the wall of hollow viscera. So these three type muscles forms a skeletal system. So skeletal system is made up of these three muscles. So before going to the skeletal system, first we should know what is meant by a muscle tissue. Okay, muscle tissue means these are peculiar type tissues seen in our body. See, what are the four types of tissues in our body? Our body is made up of four types of tissues: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscle tissue, and a nervous tissue. Epithelial tissue, then connective tissue, then third one is a muscle tissue, then the fourth one is a nervous tissue. These are the four different types of tissues seen in our body. Okay, so muscle tissue. Muscle tissue means these tissues having the contractile property, tissues with the contractile property, or these tissues can contract or it can shorten its length. Okay, so tissues with this property are known as what? Muscle tissue. So muscle tissue means, or muscle means, it can contract, it can reduce its length. Okay, so that is what a muscle. So muscle basically three types are there: skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle, and smooth muscle. Now we are going to see the properties of these three. Skeletal, first one is a skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle, see, this one is a skeletal muscle fiber. Okay, skeletal muscle, it is made up of numerous fibers. Okay, see, this one is a skeletal muscle fiber, second fiber, third fiber. This type, thousands of fibers joins together to form a muscle. Okay, now, what are the properties? It's it is a long cylindrical tube. Skeletal muscle, it's a cylindrical structure with numerous nuclei, with many nuclei seen towards the periphery. Okay, towards the periphery of this fiber. Okay, then it shows striations, alternated dark and light bands are there. Just a minute. See here, skeletal muscle means it's a long skeletal muscle fiber. Skeletal muscle, it is made up of numerous fibers. Each muscle fiber, it's a long cylindrical tube and it is having elongated nucleus towards the periphery. Not only that, it shows some alternated dark and light bands. See here we can see a dark band. Then after that a light band. Then another dark band. Then light band. See like that it is having dark and light bands or striations. These dark bands are otherwise known as A band and light band is otherwise known as I band. Okay, dark band, A band, light band, I band. So these are some of the properties of the skeletal muscle. Okay, skeletal muscle fiber. It's a long cylindrical tube. Skeletal muscle. It is made up of this muscle. It is made up of numerous or thousands of muscle fibers. Okay, each muscle fiber it's a cylindrical tube with a elongated nucleus towards the periphery and alternated dark and light bands. Now, if you are moving to the cardiac muscle, cardiac muscle fiber. See, this one is a cardiac muscle fiber. This one is another cardiac muscle fiber. See the peculiarity here. Cardiac muscle fiber, it's a long chain of myocytes, cardiac myocytes. See, this one is a cell. This is second cell, third cell. Here we can see the cell junctions. Okay, so this is the third cell, and this one is a fourth cell. So these cells joins together to form a long fiber. In case of skeletal muscle fiber means it's a long cylindrical cell or a long cylindrical fiber. Okay, but here it is not like that. Here this fiber is made up of numerous cells or cells joins together to form the cardiac muscle fiber. Okay, now this junction, cell junctions are known as the intercalated disc. So here we can see the cell junctions. These cell junctions are known as intercalated disc. Then another peculiarity, these muscle fibers are branched muscle fibers. Okay, see, this is one muscle fiber. It shows some branches here. See, one first branch, second branch, third branch. And see the peculiarity of that branch. That branch joins with the adjacent fiber and forms a network here. Ultimately, it forms a network. These are some of the important peculiarities of cardiac muscle fiber. Cardiac muscle fiber means it is made up of numerous myocytes, or it's a long chain of numerous myocytes. Myocytes means muscle cells. Muscle cells joins together to form one elongated structure. That structure is the cardiac muscle fiber. And each myocyte is having its own nucleus towards the center, its own nucleus. Okay, and this cardiac muscle fiber, it is branched. These branches joins with the adjacent fiber. See here, this is the second fiber. Okay, and it forms a network. These are the some of the properties of cardiac muscle fiber. So first one, skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle. See the difference between the cardiac muscle and the skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle, it's a long cylindrical tube, or it's a single cell with many nucleus. Skeletal muscle fiber means it's a single cell with many nucleus. But cardiac muscle fiber means it's a long chain of numerous cells or myocytes. See, here cells joins together to form a fiber, but here the fiber means it's a single cell, it's a elongated single cell. And here nuclei are seen towards the periphery, but here nuclei are seen towards the center. Okay, rounded nuclei seen towards the center of each myocyte. Here it is unbranched fiber, but here it is branched fiber. Here the cell junctions intercalated discs are present, here it is the discs are absent. Here striations are prominent, but here striations are there, but it is less prominent. So these are some of the difference between cardiac muscle and skeletal muscle. Now the third category muscle, smooth muscle. Smooth muscle, those are spindle-shaped fibers with the two tapering ends and one central bulged portion. Okay, this is what is the smooth muscle. The central bulged portion is having a nucleus. Okay, and it is unstriated. Striations are absent here. Okay, then it is involuntary. Cardiac muscle and smooth muscle fibers are involuntary. This is skeletal muscle fiber, it is voluntary. Okay, so these are some of the properties of these muscle fibers. So muscle system, it is made up of these three types of muscle fibers or muscle tissues. Okay, what are they? Cardiac muscle, skeletal muscle, smooth muscle. So what is meant by muscle tissue? Muscle tissue means those are the tissues with the contractile property, or they can shorten their length. And these are the three varieties of muscle tissues. Okay, cardiac muscle, skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and some properties of this cardiac, skeletal, and smooth. Okay, so that's all about the muscular system. The remaining details we'll discuss along with the, or we'll discuss it later. Okay, so go through this video.